Alright, so I am asking for help. I've been installing a double DIN radio into my 2003.5 mazdaspeed protege, and I've been screwing around with it for quite some time. Speakers work great as far as the stock speakers go. I'm not upgrading those at this time, but the subwoofer is not firing, and I'm trying to figure out why. And if I come back, excuse me, I'm tired. It's almost 10 o'clock. Come back here, and obviously it's a mess of wires right now. I'm just trying to get it to work. This is the signal wire. So this is the old one, and it was broken, so I just tapped into it for now. I'll make it, because it actually has a nice plug up there. So maybe I don't even have it wired up right. I'm gonna have to look at this again, but the black one's the ground, red one's power, and it does have power all the way to here. The blue one now checks out as having power to it. Those are the wires that go to the sub. Oh, I didn't check to see if those are getting power. Let me put the camera down. Alright, now I'm on the other side so we can see these a little bit better. So you have fuse, battery, ground. On the blue wire, I believe this is for the signaling. Can I move this with my pinky? No. Let's try this. There's the remote, and that wire is getting power. So the red, or the battery's getting power, the remote's getting power. I guess I should check the ground next. Where's this come? This is the ground wire, and it comes into here, and this goes down where? That's the same wire. Yeah, that's the same wire. So the ground is going to a ground, so that should be fine. It doesn't appear to be broken anywhere, so that should be good. On that, yeah, no, it looks good. Is there any way to tell if the amp is turning on? Are there any lights or anything that should come on the amp? I did buy this amp second hand, so I may just have to buy another different amp. So I'm not 100% sure yet, but this is definitely not turning on, and don't know. I mean, I assume if the speaker's getting power, even if it was blown, it'd be doing something. So yeah, if you have any tips or thoughts, let me know. I appreciate any help. Anyways, thanks for watching.